Please, Professor Ciccarelli.
Thank you very much. Good morning to our honorable guests and to my colleagues and students. First of all, I would like to thank the Director of the Department of Law, Professor Emanuela Pistoia, for hosting such a high-level conference, as well my dear friend and colleague, Professor Emanuela Arezzo, for conceiving and supporting this initiative. Of course, I also want to extend my thanks to the numerous and distinguished guests who, through their presentation, will attempt to shed light on the many directions that innovation and digitalization are developing. Innovation, digitalization, AI are fundamental pillars for the growth and competitiveness of business in today's global context, and they are becoming essential elements for institutions and public sector as well. We are living in an era in which AI is profoundly transforming not only the labor market, but also our society, institutions, and the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. Today we have the opportunity to reflect together on the changes, but also on the challenges that this revolution brings. It will be an occasion to delve deeper into the legal, economic, social, ethical aspect of AI, thanks to the many contributions from our colleagues, who I am sure will guide us through a journey full of thought-provoking insight. Innovation, digitalization are no longer distant concepts, applicable only to advanced technology sectors. Today they affect every aspect of our economic and social lives. Small and medium-sized enterprises, traditionally considered less exposed to such dynamics, are discovering the potential of digital tools to improve their operational efficiency and expand their reach. At the same time, large companies already on the path of digitalization are called to continuously innovate to maintain their leadership in an ever-evolving market. I before used the term revolution, a word we perhaps overuse. I often wonder if this revolution is real. Not because I want to downplay the impact that this new technology can have on productivity and on the organizational model of companies and public administration, but because I believe that sometimes when we live within a certain context, we tend to imagine that what's happening to us is unique. This perspective does not always convince me. And to be honest, I don't think the Industrial Revolution at the beginning of the 19th century has a less impact than we are experiencing today. Of course, time is a great equalizer, and in a few years, history will likely determine a winner in this comparison across centuries. However, one thing is sure. What is happening today has one unprecedented characteristic, that is speed. The rapidity with which digital innovation are spreading through companies, economy, society is something never seen before with such a power. Only those who can react promptly to this stimuli, individuals or businesses, will be able to withstand the competitive challenge at the national and international levels. In this context, I believe it is necessary to undertake a deep scientific and organizational reflection on the role and impact that university can have on the territory. In times of such rapid change, it became crucial to offer continuous learning opportunity for workers, organizing seminars, workshops, advanced and training courses with a focus on lifelong learning. It's equally important to rethink the educational program and educational models to avoid the serious mistake of producing graduates who, when leaving school or university, are already out of step with the times. In essence, alongside the solid foundational preparation, it will become increasingly necessary to introduce ways of interaction between schools, university, and businesses in educational programs, and most importantly, to accompany workers through their entire professional lives, or, as it became increasingly clear, through their multiple working lives. The wave of innovation must be ridden. Staying on the shore risks leaving us overwhelmed. Once again, I greet all the participants, and I wish the conference will go on with the best confrontation and result. Thank you very much.